Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to adjust space between elements on your Weebly website. This is a simple yet essential skill for creating a clean, professional-looking layout that gives your content room to breathe. First, open your browser and navigate to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log into your Weebly account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your homepage where you can manage all your websites. Now, direct your attention to the left menu. You'll see an option labeled Website, so go ahead and click on it. Directly beneath that, you'll find Edit Site. Click on that as well. This will show you a list of all the websites you've created with Weebly. Choose the website you want to edit from the list. Once you've selected it, look over to the right side of your screen where you'll see an Edit button. Click this button to enter the editor, which is where all the magic happens for customizing your site's design and layout. You'll now find yourself on the editor page of your website. At the top of the screen, you'll notice a menu bar. Make sure you're on the Build tab, as this is where you'll access all the tools for adding and adjusting elements on your pages. Here's the secret to adjusting space between elements on Weebly. It's all about using the divider element. This handy tool gives you complete control over spacing without needing any coding knowledge. Simply locate the divider element in your Elements panel and drag it between the two elements where you want to add or adjust space. Once you've placed the divider, click on it to reveal its settings. You'll see options to adjust the margin, which is how you control the space between your elements. Increase the margin to create more space or decrease it to bring elements closer together. It's that straightforward. Now, if you don't want a visible line to appear between your elements, which is often the case when you're just using the divider for spacing purposes, simply adjust the width setting. Select None from the width options, and the line will disappear completely while still maintaining the spacing you've set. And there you have it, you've successfully adjusted the space between elements on your Weebly website, giving your design a more polished and professional appearance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.